Hey guys, Matt here, checking out delivery of Manly Bands, the Instigator. Just got here lightning fast in 2 days, so you don't have to worry about fast shipping times, but maybe don't wait until the day before your wedding to order or anything like that. Comes in a unbranded box, which is nice in case you wives out there order this ring for your husband. They won't know exactly what is inside of it. But it does have some cool branding on the bag on the inside there, and also inside of the box you got the Manly Bands branding in there. This one's nice and shiny on the inside. It has plated rose gold on the inside there, but then on the outside it's a nice, almost like brushed steel there. If your wife has a rose gold ring, this would look really nice next to it for pictures, but once you have it on, not too shiny there in the light, just about right. And it's an easy exchange if need be with Manly Bands. They have the instructions right here, packaged in with the box, and also care for your ring on the back here. So check out Manly Bands, the Instigator.